Are you curious about maximizing your experience with Bing Chat AI? Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager to explore the latest in artificial intelligence or a professional seeking efficient ways to incorporate AI into your workflow, understanding how to effectively use Bing Chat AI can significantly enhance your digital interactions. In today's video, we'll provide you with the necessary procedures and techniques to become a master of Bing Chat AI. Prepare to alter your online experience and discover a world of productivity and adventure. So, grab your virtual passports and buckle up because we're about to embark on an epic journey of digital discovery. Bing Chat AI, also known as Copilot, is powered by Microsoft's cutting-edge AI technology. Imagine a friendly assistant by your side, eager to answer your questions, complete tasks, and even unleash your creativity. But how do you unlock this power? Buckle up, because our adventure is just beginning. Our first step leads us to the Microsoft Edge browser. Downloading and installing Edge is the key to seamless interaction with Copilot. Think of it as your personalized command center, offering the most integrated Bing Chat AI experience. Now, with Edge at your fingertips, it's time to meet Copilot. Signing in with your Microsoft account or Entra ID unlocks the full potential of this AI marvel. It allows Copilot to learn your preferences and tailor responses to your unique needs. Once you've got Microsoft Edge up and running, you sign in using your Microsoft account. Now let's skip to the good part. How to use Bing Chat AI effectively. 1. Choosing your conversation style. Are you in the mood for a whimsical adventure filled with imaginative musings? Or perhaps you need precise information delivered straight to the point? With Copilot, you have the power to choose your preferred style, making every interaction uniquely tailored to your needs. There are 3 styles to choose from. Creative style. Opt for this style when you want elaborate and imaginative responses. It's perfect for writing short stories, coming up with fun pet names, and more. Precise style. If you prefer concise and direct answers, select the precise conversation style. It delivers information straightforwardly and succinctly. Useful for math calculations, finding historical dates, and other specific queries. Balanced style. This style strikes a harmonious balance between comprehensive information and brevity. It's great for planning trips or seeking product recommendations. Once you've chosen your style, it's time to put Copilot to the test. Whether you prefer typing out your queries or speaking them aloud, Copilot is always at your service, ready to provide answers, guidance, and even a little bit of entertainment along the way. But wait, there's more. Copilot isn't just limited to text-based interactions. With its visual capabilities, you can upload images and ask related questions, unlocking a whole new dimension of exploration and discovery. 2. Asking questions and giving commands. In asking questions and giving commands, we have the option to text input in the Ask Me Anything box, voice input using the microphone icon. 3. Getting visual with Copilot. Use the image icon to upload an image and ask related questions. And now, for the cherry on top, effective use tips. From maintaining a conversational tone to asking follow-up questions for refinement, these tips will help you become a true master of Bing Chat AI. They include maintaining a conversational tone, asking follow-up questions for refinement, examples of prompts for news, brainstorming, and research, accessing Bing Chat AI. Bing Chat AI, also known as Copilot, is currently available on 2 main platforms. Microsoft Edge. This is the most integrated experience, with Copilot appearing as a dedicated sidebar within the browser. It allows seamless interaction and context-aware functionality while you browse. Web access. You can access Copilot directly from the web, offering flexibility regardless of your preferred browser. Here's how. Head to bing.com and click the chat icon located in the top left corner. How Bing Chat AI can help you save time and boost productivity. Automating repetitive tasks. Copilot can handle routine tasks, freeing up your time for more critical activities. It automates repetitive processes, such as organizing tabs or importing passwords from other browsers. Instant access to information. Copilot provides quick answers to your queries. It summarizes content, making it easier to consume dense information online. For instance, you can ask Copilot to summarize a report or find key takeaways. Edge sidebar integration. You can access Copilot directly from the Microsoft Edge app menu. It's available in the sidebar, allowing you to ask questions about web content, compare products, and find exactly what you need while on the go. Summarizing and reviewing content. Coming soon to the Microsoft Edge mobile app, Copilot will summarize more types of documents, including PDFs and longer website content. You'll be able to ask Copilot questions, summarize, and review content when viewing a PDF in your Edge mobile browser. In summary, Copilot simplifies information discovery, acts as your personal AI assistant, and enhances productivity across various tasks. Whether you need creative responses or precise answers, Copilot has you covered. How Bing Chat AI can help you plan your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend getaway or a grand expedition, Copilot can streamline your trip planning process. Let's dive into how it can assist you. Quick and comprehensive recommendations. Copilot leverages machine learning, big data, and integrations with travel resources to provide destination ideas, flight prices, and full itineraries in seconds. Whether you're seeking the best layovers, charming hotels, or hidden gems across the globe, Copilot has your back. Types of prompts to try. Open-ended questions. Where should I go on my next adventure? What's a good day trip from? Location. Personalized recommendations. I loved Amsterdam for its museums and canals. Where should I go next, and what should I do there? Budget-related queries. Leaving from, location. What is the least expensive destination in, location, and how much money will I need for a one-week trip staying in swanky hotels? Flight information. What's the best deal on a non-stop flight from, location, to, location, from December 28th to January 2nd? Destination comparisons. Compare travel to, location, versus, location, based on cost, quality of activities, hotels, and the best time of year to go. Summaries, activities, packing lists, and full itineraries. Summarize the history of, location. Suggest evening activities for a high school choir traveling to, location. Create a backpacking packing list for a 2-week trip across, location. Craft a full itinerary for 3 days in, location, including historic sites, nightlife, and waterfall hikes. Fine-tuning your plan. Copilot remembers context, so feel free to ask follow-up questions to refine your itinerary. Want to update a dinner reservation or tweak your daily schedule? Copilot's got you covered. Remember the magic of exploration. While Copilot assists with logistics, don't forget to savor the thrill of discovery. Let your imagination roam as you plan your next adventure. Ready to take the plunge into the world of Bing Chat AI? Whether you prefer browsing with Microsoft Edge or accessing Copilot directly from the web, the choice is yours. Bing Chat AI is always just a click away, ready to elevate your online experience to new heights. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to a world of productivity and adventure with Bing Chat AI. Whether you're automating repetitive tasks, seeking instant access to information, or unleashing your creativity, Copilot has got your back every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the world of Bing Chat AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy exploring.